How are you prioritizing your leads? Because from what I've always found, I do 80% of my business with just a handful of people. And yet I have thousands of people in my systems that are leads. How do you guys prioritize and deal with that?
What we're going to do is try to figure out what is our main focus at that point. So for example, if we sit down in the beginning of the year and we say, here are our goals for the year, because we're going to sit down in the beginning and then we'll talk quarterly, monthly, weekly. We want to make sure that we're hitting our goals. So 2 years ago, our main focus was getting a bunch of rental properties because we wanted to have that consistent cash flow every single month. So our goal was to get 10 properties that year, which we ended up getting 15 properties. So we went above and beyond, which was great. But what we're going to do is the leads that are coming in, we're looking more towards those move-in ready, doesn't need a whole lot of work. We're going to have a certain dollar per door type of evaluation on it. So if that was going to be our goal that year, maybe the year before when our goal was to flip 6 houses or 8 houses, the type of leads coming in are going to be different that time versus what I'm really looking at right now. So it's based on what are we looking for our next rehab? Are we looking for maybe a wholesale? Or are we looking for something where you could list it? So we want to try to monetize any of those leads that are coming in, but we want to figure out what is our goal, what is our exit strategy.